And the race is on. Scara fast to begin. Moving up is Cool Reception. And moving up down on the middle is Precious Metal alongside Super Elegant Royal Fair. Is Scara, Precious Metal, Royal Fair, Cool Reception. Queen is racing in fifth by Darrell alongside Six is Super Elegant. Nose West racing in seventh, rushing up from the outside is Paragus Order. Alongside is Pound for Pound, 5 o'clock, fourth last Gold Asian. The Goose favorite Gray Magic is running in 13th. Precious Metal Scarab. Royal Fair is running in third. Super Elegant Paragus Order is racing from the outside. Queen Pound for Pound is racing from the outside. Nose West in the middle. Cool Reception is running by the 5 o'clock, together by Gray Magic, Gold Asian, and Douglas Favorite is now running in 13th. Super Elegance now the leader. Paragus Order is running in second. Precious Metal is racing in third by Doral, Pound for Pound. Royal Fair is running in fifth, down on the inside, rushing up from the outside. Gray Magic Queen and 5 o'clock as the action swing towards the long night stretch run with Super Elegant, Precious Metal, and moving up is Pound for Pound, and on the outside is Gray Magic. Super Elegant, Pound for Pound, 5 o'clock, Spideral, Precious Metal, Gray Magic, Paragus Order, Queen, Royal Fair, but still Super Elegant doing the better. Pound for Pound, Gray Magic, 5 o'clock, Queen, Royal Fair, number 3, Precious Metal for your Super sa East. Then comes 3A, Paragus